take these wave-like pieces and pack them in the tray together. This is the IQ Waves puzzle. It has 120 different challenges and 5 different difficulty levels. Today we're going to be solving 3 of them: level 37, level 69, and level 92. In level 37, we have to start off with the pink piece here and the yellow piece up here, and then lastly the blue piece right in the center. On this side here, we could start off with the green. Then above that, we could place the purple. Up top, we need something that'll kind of like stretch along the top, but also go down. And you kind of have to watch how these waves are sitting in order to figure out how they're going to pack in the tray together. If we do the orange up here, we don't have anything to go next to the yellow. So if we take the blue and we flip it in this way, we could use the red up here. And if we take the purple and we pack it here, oh, so close. The orange can almost fit next to that, and we obviously can't fit the red in here. See if there's something else that we can do on the bottom. We could put the orange piece there. That's kind of very satisfying in that one. We can take the purple piece and flip it in here. Let's see, can we put it on this side? We could, but then that wouldn't really fill there. I actually don't think there's actually a place to put this beyond here. If we flip it in this way, we could put the red on the bottom and the purple up here. Then we can go and put the orange in there, and lastly the green can go right there. Click that subscribe button to see more videos from Puzzle Master, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Moving on to level 69, you can see where you need the yellow up top there and the blue beneath that. And then if we place the pink here, ooh, we can have the purple on the bottom. That's a good shape for this side out. And we place the blue this way. We can use the red next to it here. Then you can see we actually need to take this pink out and place it over here. Next, if we place the orange on the bottom, we'd have to flip the green standing up. And lastly, this purple piece can just sit right in there. Now dump out the pieces and let's go on to level 92. In level 92, they start us off with the yellow piece, and we just have to fill everything else in around that. I think the only piece that's going to be able to go above the yellow is this blue. So it looks like we almost have to go with the purple down here. Then next to that, we could use the dark blue. Up here, we could use the orange. Then if we go with the green up top, we can use the pink over here. So close, but we can't get that red in there. So instead, if we take these ones out, I want to see if there's like a different one that we could put beneath here. Ooh, the pink one flips perfectly into that spot. Ooh, yes, the blue can go there. And lastly, the red can fit perfectly right in there. To get the IQ Waves puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.